Hello all. Welcome to Creative Ideas YouTube channel. I am here to explain you about basic of electronics and programming thing. Come with me to learn creatively and innovatively. Let's go to the video. Arduino turn LED on and off with two buttons. In this Arduino tutorial, I will show you how to turn an LED on and off with two push button. For this project, you will need Arduino Uno or similar board, one LED, two push button switches, two resistors of 220 ohm value, breadboard, jumpers. First, we will power on the LED when the first button is pressed and power off the LED when the second button is pressed. First, make sure to power off your Arduino, remove any USB cable. Make the connection as per the circuit's diagram. Ensure that the push button is working properly by using a multimeter to check the no or NC connection. Alright, your circuit is now finished. You can start writing code. First, as a best practice, we use some defines to keep the pin number for the LED and push button. That way, if you have used different pins than I, you just need to modify those two lines. Also, in the future, if you want to change the LED from pin 9 to pin 11 for example, you can modify this line without touching anything else in the code. The setup function is executed once at the beginning of the program. This is the perfect time to initialize our pins with the pin mode function. Output for the LED, as we are going to write data to it. Input for the push button, as we are going to read data from it. Now, the digital pins are correctly set up. In the loop function, we start by reading the button's state with the digital read function. So, once we get the button's state, we check if it's high or low. High pressed, we power on the LED with digital write and the high state. Low not pressed, we power off the LED with digital write and the low state. In this tutorial, you have seen how to build an Arduino circuit with an LED and a push button, and also how to control this circuit to turn the LED on and off with the button. I hope you all clearly understand the concept.